Hey everybody, welcome to my world. It's time for another Lootcrate unboxing. I thought I'd smarten myself up for this one because A, I went out last night, and B, I just can't be bothered getting changed for something as important as this. Because this is something I've been looking forward to. October's Lootcrate, it's usually Halloween, I'm going to say Halloween themed, and this one feels Halloween themed. It's called Cursed. And the items in this one are Attack on Titan, great show. Evil Dead 2, great film. American Horror Story, I've heard it's great, but I've not seen any of it. And there was one more, I just really can't remember it off the top of my head. It would... Sorry, I just really cannot remember. I'm really bad at memories, but let's see what we got, because I am looking forward to this. There we go. Got this when I was in London, so that was interesting for me Comic Con day. So if you've not seen that vid, I'll check that vid out. So let's see what we got. All right. Start off with like a sort of cavalcade of cursed creatures, and it looks like I'm gonna say yeah, I'm gonna say it says beast from beneath the waves, but I'm gonna call it, what's it? Shit. Creature of the Black Lagoon, that's what I was looking at. I've just seen what the final item is, just looked at the thing. It was Gremlins, great film as well. But let's start off with what we always like to see, which is the T-shirt. And it is Attack on Titan themed. It's the Colossal Titan and one of the cadets just luring in. It looks like Mikasa. I'm going to say Mikasa because of the long hair. I'm going to say there's no others there, but there's it. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I like the colour aspect of it, how they've done it. Because if you've seen the show Attack on Titan, then you can understand why, what they've done here. So I like that. I really do. Could have had more to it at the same time, but if you've ever seen what the Colossal Titan looks like and what he could do, I don't think you'd complain, would you? Evil Dead 2, it's another one of those artistic series ones. It's Ash and I can't think what it's called. I know I'm going to say Dolomite, but I know that's not what they're called. It's Deadite. There you are. It says it on the back. I knew I weren't far off with something. But yeah, so that's going to be quite interesting. That was my computer going off. That's what that noise was. Yeah, it's another one of those build it things like the Westworld one I've had, and other things. So let's just sort this out. I like the little Ash, but it's a shame that he's sort of like got that look. I feel like it would have been better if it had like, I'm not going to say creepy, but being Ash. Because I think the only look that would have matched it would have been that scene. It's been a while since I've seen Evil Dead 2, but I think it's that scene where he sees that deer head. He looks at it, and the deer head turns around and then just laughs. Because Ash has that face of like, yes. I wish it had that look, but obviously, I think for like, I wouldn't say for legal reasons, but I feel like for the sake of not upsetting anyone, that's why they've done it. Fitting a rod in a hole. Just sounds like my sex life. Well, there we go. It's up. Ash, the Deadite. I feel like that door should end up hitting him, but it's open, so actually looks quite good. That, yeah, nice little thing. I do like these sort of figures because there we are. Sorry about that. I do like these sort of figures because it's what, you know, it's something incredible because a lot of effort has been put into them. So yeah, that's not too bad. I wish the door would stay open, but that's just me, you know, wishing things that can't happen. But as long as it's up, that's all that matters, isn't it? So that's quite impressive. The Gremlins item, socks. That's all I can say. It's all Gizmo, which is quite impressive because it's, you know, he was sort of the star of Gremlins. It'd been nice if there was like one-off one, you know, like had the other Gremlins, but obviously before they were Gremlins, you know, they were the Mogwai-like creatures, you know, because there was Stripe. He had obviously the well, Mohawk. There was a few other characters. I can't remember a lot of them. There was like a goofy one. It's been a while since I've seen Gremlins, but I only remember the second one more than the first one. That's embarrassing, isn't it? But yeah, socks. It's one of those things. It's like, oh, I'm impressed that they've given me clothing, but at the same time, I feel like they could have done more. At least they got the size right, because I remember I think I got one pair once as a gift, and I can't remember which one it was, but apparently the socks were made for people that had like size 7 to 8 feet. I'm a 9 to 10, so yeah, they wouldn't fit me at all. Next thing, it's American Horror Story. I've no idea on the film. I say film on the series, but apparently it says Hotel something scene. Yeah, Hotel Cortez Keyring. So obviously that must be a reference to something in the one of the American Horror Stories, because I know they've done a lot. Because I know everyone always says the main one to watch is, I think it was the circus one. They've always said watch the circus one. They've mentioned another one because there was circus. I think Asylum's another one they've said to mention, you know, to watch. And other than that, there's nothing else that I've actually anyone's ever said, "Oh, watch anything else." But the problem is, I think it's like I'm not 100% right because I don't know like the order of it. But someone told me, I think if I'm right, like Asylum's I'm gonna say third one, and I think the clown one's the fifth. You know, the circus one's the fifth one. So it's sort of like I have to watch the first one, then the second one, and then get to the good ones. But you know, that's just me being me. You know, I might be wrong, but that's not bad. I like the design on that, I will admit, and it's got the little like lanyard at the bottom. I'm actually quite impressed with that, and it's got an actual key as well with it, so it's a proper like hotel room key. That's well done. That I like that. Yeah, the loot pin. It's from Ouija or Ouija, as some people. Apparently, it's not actually pronounced Ouija. It's pronounced Ouija because it's spelled Ouija. So I don't know where Ouija's come from, but you know, each to their own. That's all I can say. But yeah, it's a Ouija. You know, the little Ouija thing. I've only heard of the Ouija board. I've never played on it or used it, whatever you want to call it. Because they actually did make a Ouija board game, which was quite weird. Absolutely weird. I mean, I think it's weird, and look what I do for a living. Finally, it's the little booklet. Instead of it being like a sheet of paper, it is an actual like folding booklet. So you know, that's actually well done. It shows you what you get. And apparently the socks, you get 2 different socks. You get the either you get the Mogwai socks, which I got, or the Gremlin socks, which is stripe. So I'm glad they got an option, but I would have preferred the Gremlin one personally than the Mogwai. I mean, I do like Gizmo, but I preferred the Gremlin. That's just me. I will admit. We've got a second one. They've got like the creature. I'm just looking inside. They've got the creature of the Black Lagoon, and they've got like a mantis-like creature. Makes me think like this guy looks like. I know it says Antzilla on the side, right there. The abominable Antzilla, but this makes me feel, you know, like looks like Zorak from the Space Ghost series. Now, obviously, a lot of people are going to go, "What the hell's Space Ghost?" And it's like, it's an old TV show, an old cartoon. It was a classic, and after sort of like everyone got bored of superhero, I'm not joking, everybody got bored of superhero TV shows, so they took Space Ghost, made into a chat show host. Still funny though, because that was actually quite funny. Okay, best, worst, best and least favorite item. Best item has to be the Evil Dead item. That's definitely for me. That because I'm a sucker for these sort of things, and I like this. I just wish they didn't have that face. That's all I wish on, is not that face. But like I said, it would have been, because like I said, if it had his like grinning smile that he did in the film, I think a lot of people would be creeped out by that. But that's all I wish on. Least favorite, it's got to be the socks. I'm afraid. I've got a T-shirt. I don't need socks, and it's just one of those things because I don't like the look of Gizmo on the design. It just looks pathetic. So that's it for this Loot Crate. I really can't wait for next month's crate. A lot more to offer, a lot more to get. One of the things I'm looking forward to is the fact that it's November's crate, which means sooner or later December will run, which means the new thing will start, and I'm still nowhere near what I'm doing. So yeah, that's all I can say. I'm glad you watched it. Check out other videos I've done. Like, comment, subscribe, all that lot. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Until then, bye bye. Hey, you like that episode? Click on one of these links. I don't care which one you click on, but click on one of these links. I mean, you got a link here for the previous episode, or you got the link here for to watch the series from the beginning. I mean, who cares? Or click on this to subscribe. You want this. You want this. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you want somebody else. I'll go then.